So today is Saturday and I decided to take you guys along with me. It has been 5 years of not keeping this channel updated, so we're gonna bring the back. So we're gonna start with weekend happenings. Come join me. And for today's breakfast, we have just simple spam fried eggs for the kids and I got coffee for myself. We are preparing to head to the gym and do some running. Bye, Marty. Yeah. Tapos na tayo, tapos na, magbabanlaw na. Siguro tapos na kasi okay na yun. Dati yung 30. So my friend is taking me here to biking, I don't know. So it's a, okay, it says vegetarian. Let's check out. Ito naman pala bakit pa ano tawag doon? Nagmamapin man na napakamahal. Ito, buray, Diyos ko. So may western din, wow. Family affair kami dito namin eh. Ano kinuha mo? Parang ito yung talagang issue lang kung sabi ko ano itlog ng anak ko. Pero ito parang gusto kong mag-itlog eh. Ito may ano na to, may french fries. Does this comes with french fries? These have french fries? No, just with the french fries. And what is this? Okay, this one. What do you eat? Mee goreng. ready. Hey, stop, stop. So there you go, everybody. That's how the usual weekend routine here. Kids, let me see, Franco and my love arrived like 1 or 2 in the afternoon. I wasn't home, obviously. Uh, there was food ready, and then when I headed to Mr. DIY to get the stuff we badly need, it rained along the way home. Good thing the laundry was in before I left, and he only arrived later after me. And then there's adobo, there's vegetable for dinner, and yeah, freshen myself up after I clean up the kitchen, after I cook, enjoy a little food in the AC room, and yeah, did my skincare and doing this film, ready for bed. And good thing it rained, so it gave us very chill moment and very productive, meaningful weekend, and very memorable one. Catch you next weekend. Bye. Thanks for watching.